What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Southside Boy Style. I hope you enjoy the video. Just a little quick one. Give you a little rundown. Going to talk to you guys today about salt and sand mix and what it's doing to our vehicles, particularly the newer one, which is the Dodge Caravan with the 3600 engine. Just to show you the effects of salt, how it's eating at the vehicles. And there's another thing about salt too. When they sand mix it, they're supposed to screen the sand in screeners, but what's happening is we're getting cracks in windshields all the time, which I'm going to show you after. So, as you can see, guys, this one is completely covered in salt. Salt and sand mix. And we've had this van now for about a month or so. And here in Newfoundland, where as you can see, it's harsh weather at times, a lot of snow, a lot of wind and ice. So for that reason, you get a lot of salt buildup, and it's already starting to eat at the van. Another issue that it does is they don't screen the mixture properly, and I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll use both cameras. I'm getting cracks in the windshield. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm getting cracks in the windshield. And that's because I'm driving behind vehicles and it's flicking up and hitting the windshield. So that's, a serious issue. So guys, I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. It's because of the frigid temperatures around here. As you can see, I'll show you. As you can see here, there's the bays are freezing. Everything is freezing cold, which makes it too cold to be out doing videos technically. And plus, I'm working a lot lately. We took on a lot more business in our company, so I'm fairly busy at all times, but I'm trying my best to keep videos out. I just wanted to show you this little video. This is the Dodge Caravan 3600, and it's still running strong. It's running pretty good. I still have more faith in the 2010 Dodge Caravan we have, the gray one, which you guys can go back in other videos and see. But this one is doing good. It's doing pretty good. Only issues I've had with this one was I had to install a thermostat. It wasn't getting enough heat in wicked temperatures, minus temperatures, and I had to put a new thermostat inside of it. Other than that, just the rock chips that have cracked the window. I don't know if you guys can even see that in the window. I'm not sure by using the camera. There's actually another one right here, but I don't know if you can see that. So guys, don't forget to give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. So guys, I hope you like this little video. I know I'm doing a lot more shorts lately than I normally do. It's only because I haven't got the time and the weather is horrible and frigid and cold and snowy and burr. Okay, so that's why I'm not getting other videos in. And on the flip side, I'm busy because we've taken a lot more business on and I'm not home a lot. No excuses, I will get videos out, I promise. And I just want to say I appreciate all of the new subscribers. Right now, at the point of this video, I'm at 922 subscribers. I'm almost there, guys, less than 80 away to get monetized, and I really appreciate all of you. All of you I really appreciate. Also, don't forget, anywhere in my YouTube channel, you can look around and see I have merch. I've just added more merch. I have hats, I have hoodies, shirts, cups, so many things I have in the merch store. Feel free to go and look around. I tried my best to give good prices in the merch store so you guys can purchase it. I even have thermos bottles there now inside, and it's pretty cool, and some really nice shirts with the Southside Boy Style logo on it. And some of the shirts have just a Southside Boy Style in gray on black shirts. Looks really good. Again, guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Southside Boy Styles out.